Hello guys, this is Digital Defense 365. If you are interested in cybersecurity or ethical hacking, you can subscribe our channel. In this video, we will see how to hack password through brute force attack. First, we need to make a word list. Here I will use a pre-built word list in Kali Linux. That's rocku.txt. I have already unzipped it. Use this command to unzip the file. This is TryHackMe. It's a website where you can practice ethical hacking. Here, to perform the brute force attack, I will use the Hydra lab here. Let's start my machine. I will use this as victim. This is the victim IP, which I need for attack. Parenthesis. If you search this IP in browser, you can see the login page. It is same like Facebook and Instagram and others. Go to Hydra and read this properly where this tool can be used. Write Hydra, then enter the username. If you know the username, then you will enter -l. If you don't know the username, then you can enter -L and the username word list. I know the username, so I will enter l. The username is Molly. Same case for the password. If don't know the password, enter -P and then enter the password list. Here I try to attack in SSH. You can try other like FTP. Read the above text where this is explained properly. And enter here victim's IP. Sorry, I have entered a wrong command. I will fix it, and let's start again. Then start the attack. After few while, it will bring your password and username here. I can't upload this part in YouTube for YouTube guidelines.